One day, Queen Zubaida saw Behlol Dana by the river. He was making little houses from mud, then destroying them. Curious, she asked, "What are you doing?" Behlol smiled and said, "I am building palaces in paradise." The queen asked, "And how much does one palace cost?" He replied, "Only 10 dirhams. With pure faith, she gave him 10 dirhams. Later, she told her husband, Caliph Harun al-Rashid. The Caliph laughed. "What foolishness! Buying a palace with 10 dirhams?" That night, the Caliph had a dream. He saw the beauty of Jannah, rivers, gardens, fountains, and there stood a glowing palace of gold and gems. On its gate was written, "This belongs to Queen Zubaida." A guard stopped him. "You cannot enter. This palace belongs only to her." The next morning, shocked and amazed, the Caliph went to Behlol. "Sell me a palace too," he said. Behlol replied, "Yes, but now the price is half your kingdom." Surprised, the Caliph asked, "Why so much when yesterday it was only 10 dirhams?" Behlol explained, "Your wife believed without seeing. You believe only after seeing. That is the difference." Then Behlol smiled kindly, "But I do not want your kingdom. Give 10 dirhams with pure faith and you too shall have a palace in paradise." The lesson: Jannah is not bought with wealth. It is earned with faith, good intentions, and righteous deeds.
Thank you for watching my video. I will be back with my new video. Follow me, you don't miss it, my new video. Thank you. Bye.